Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can edit your website SEO settings on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I am on one of my sites, and I'm going to go ahead and edit the SEO for this site. Now, the first thing you should do is you're going to go into the settings, then go into third-party tools, select connected accounts, click connect account, and connect to the Google Search Console. Now, I don't have it available for me just yet, so I won't be using it, but if you have a Google Search Console account, you're going to want to connect it to your Squarespace account so that you can use all the SEO benefits that the Search Console allows you to. Now, once you've connected your Google Search Console account, what you can do is you can go into the Analytics tab in the menu from the left. Here, you can click on Search Keywords, and as you can see, you need to connect to the Search Console, but here you can edit the search keywords, which are the main part of your SEO for your site, right over here. And once you're done with that, you can go over and actually edit other SEO settings. Now, if I go into the site settings again, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see crawlers. Crawlers are third-party web crawlers. This is what actually finds your site and displays it on search engine searches. And as you can see, you can block search engine crawlers if you want, and you can also block known artificial intelligence crawlers. I would recommend you guys block these. However, if you block search engine crawlers, then your site might not be properly indexed by the search engine, and usually you're just gonna use whichever search engine settings you have. If you're using Google, of course, you're going to use Google Search Console. You also have separate ones for Bing and for DuckDuckGo and other sort of web browsers just like that, but pretty much that is all you need to know about editing the SEO. There might be other options for SEO somewhere here within the site. For example, if you go into marketing, you have SEO appearance, which you can then go ahead and search through. You can edit the Google search keywords, which I opened previously. You can hire an SEO expert if you're not confident in what you're doing, and you can also go through the SEO checklist, which will open up a new help tab, which will give you all the instructions that you need. And you can also edit the title format if you so choose, but that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.